If you are looking to install CrewAI on Windows, this video is for you. First, you can see we are going to be heading over to this installation option on CrewAI. Once we are there, simply scroll down and we have this Windows section. Now you're going to be opening your PowerShell, so simply head over to search bar and search in there for PowerShell. And once you do, it is going to be looking something like this. You can see, and now what we need to do is simply copy these commands and paste it over there. So on your shell you need to simply paste these commands, and it is gonna be starting the installation purpose. So it is actually quite simple. Once you get that and you're gonna be running your UV's installation guide, you can see we have the UV tool install crew. You need to simply put that on and it is gonna be running onto your PC. So if you're using a Windows, it is no problem to install it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.